Hello, I'm John Paul. I'm here today to use this EEZIBLEED kit to bleed the brakes on this 2001 Defender. It's a great bit of kit, really inexpensive, very easy to use, and we're going to demonstrate how good it is on this car. This great little bit of kit is really easy to use. Comes with a variety of different size lids for different size reservoirs on the top of the master cylinder. We'll select the one for this one. It's quite easy to set up. You just unscrew the little brass nut. There's a little fibre washer that goes each side of the lid, so that one goes in there like that. That washer then goes on there, followed by the nut, and just use an 11mm socket just to tighten it up, not too tight. Once that's tightened up, I'll show you how to connect it to the car. Okay, so we've got this brake fluid topped up into the reservoir, and we need to remove the lid from the reservoir at the top of the master cylinder. Just be careful, because it's got the level sensor in there. It will just take a couple of seconds for the brake fluid to drain out of that, and you don't want to get any on your paintwork. So just put that on a bit of rag to one side. Then you just screw the top of the EEZIBLEED system onto the top. Make sure it's fairly tight. And the other end, with a little Schrader valve connector there, you put onto a spare tyre, maximum pressure of 20 psi. Once that's connected up, just twist the little noggin down like that, and that pressurises the whole hydraulic system for your brake system. So then we can put the vehicle in the air. We can start at the furthest point away from the master cylinder, so the near side rear wheel. We'll crack open the bleed nipple, and I'll show you what goes on then. So as I've said before, you always start the furthest from the master cylinder. So on this right-hand drive Land Rover, we've started the rear left, then we'll do the rear right, then we'll do the front left, and now we're doing the front right. And all I've done is got the pipe which comes with the EEZIBLEED kit, so I put it, and I've just drilled a hole into the top of a container so we can catch the fluid. Then we just crack off the bleed nipple, and then you'll see the fluid coming down the tube. And soon, because it's held the pressure from the EEZIBLEED system, it just keeps coming out, and you just keep an eye on it, and then as soon as all the air has disappeared from the pipe, and you can see that's clear fluid now, there's no air in it, we tighten up the bleed nipple again, and that's that one done. And once you've done all four, go inside, you pump the brake, make sure it's all got hard, check for leaks everywhere, and then that's it, we're all done.